Get ready to power up your projects with some of the hottest tool deals of the season. Lowe's Black Friday and Cyber Monday event is packed with buy one, get one free offers for high-performance power tools, battery kits, and combo sets from top brands like CRAFTSMAN, DEWALT, and Kobalt. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, these deals give you the perfect opportunity to upgrade your toolkit, save big, and tackle every home improvement project with confidence and efficiency. From versatile brushless combo kits to long-lasting lithium-ion batteries, these selections combine power, precision, and portability. Many of these offers include free select power tools, giving you even more value for your investment. Don't miss your chance to grab top-rated tools designed to make every task faster, easier, and more reliable. Only for a limited time during Lowe's biggest shopping event of the year. Buy CRAFTSMAN V20RP 20V Max 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit with soft case. Get 2 free select CRAFTSMAN power tools. Elevate your DIY and professional projects with the CRAFTSMAN V20RP 2-tool brushless combo kit, featuring a drill driver and impact driver with brushless motors for up to 20% more runtime and 25% longer motor life compared to brushed motors. The drill driver delivers 300 inch-pounds of torque in 2-speed settings, 0 to 500 and 0 to 1 700 RPM, for precision drilling and driving. The impact driver produces 1,400 inch-pounds of torque with 0 to 3,100 RPM for fast and efficient fastening. This kit includes 2 20V Max 2.0 AH lithium-ion batteries with fuel gauge indicators and a rapid charger that restores a full charge in just under 60 minutes. Both tools are compact and lightweight, under 3 pounds each, with ergonomic handles and integrated LED lights for improved visibility in tight or dim spaces. The included soft case keeps your tools organized and portable for on-the-go projects. The current promotion also includes 2 free select CRAFTSMAN power tools, adding value and versatility. Ideal for homeowners, hobbyists, and contractors, this kit is compatible with all CRAFTSMAN V20 Max tools, making it a long-term investment in power, efficiency, and durability. Buy DEWALT 20V 2-pack lithium-ion battery and charger. Get 2 free select DEWALT power tools. Power your tools with the DEWALT 20V 5.0 AH lithium-ion battery and charger kit, designed for professional-grade performance. Each battery provides high energy density for longer runtime and consistent power output, while the charger features a fast charge mode that delivers a full charge in just 60 minutes. The batteries include built-in LED fuel gauges for at-a-glance monitoring of charge levels. Lightweight and durable, these lithium-ion batteries protect against memory effect, overcharging, and high heat for long-lasting performance. They are compatible with DEWALT 20V Max tools, including drills, saws, grinders, and more, making them ideal for both construction and home improvement tasks. This package also includes 2 free select DEWALT power tools, enhancing your versatility. With advanced battery management technology, extended runtime, and rapid charging, this set ensures you have the power you need to tackle multiple tasks efficiently without interruptions. Buy Kobalt 24V 4-tool combo kit. Get 2 free select Kobalt power tools. The Kobalt 24V 4-tool combo kit features a drill driver, impact driver, 4.5-inch random orbital sander, and a 4-inch circular saw, all powered by brushless motors for increased efficiency and longer tool life. The drill driver delivers 425 inch-pounds of torque with variable speed control, 0 to 500, 0 to 1, 800 RPM, and a half-inch keyless chuck. The impact driver produces 1,600 inch-pounds of torque at 0 to 3,200 RPM for heavy-duty fastening. The circular saw includes a 4.5-inch carbide-tipped blade capable of cutting through wood up to 1.5 inches thick, and the orbital sander provides 12,000 OPM for smooth finishing. All tools run on a single 4.0 AH 24V lithium-ion battery with rapid charging in under 60 minutes. Ergonomic handles, variable speed triggers, and built-in LED lights improve usability in all conditions. With 2 free select Kobalt power tools included, this kit offers expanded versatility and value. Its tools are designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, combining durability, power, and portability for virtually any project. The included soft case keeps everything organized for easy transport and storage. Buy CRAFTSMAN V20 20V battery and charger. Get 1 free select CRAFTSMAN power tool. Keep your CRAFTSMAN V20 tools running longer with this 20V 4.0 AH lithium-ion battery and charger kit. The battery provides extended runtime with minimal voltage drop, supporting continuous high-demand applications like drilling, driving, and sanding. The charger fully recharges the battery in approximately 60 minutes and includes overcharge protection for safe operation. Compatible with all CRAFTSMAN V20 Max tools, this battery delivers reliable power and performance with built-in LED fuel indicators for easy monitoring. Its compact, lightweight design ensures it won't weigh down your tools while maintaining a rugged, durable build to withstand everyday job site conditions. options. This kit comes with one free select CRAFTSMAN power tool, increasing value and flexibility. Perfect for DIYers and professionals, it ensures your tool collection remains powered, productive, and ready for any project. Buy DEWALT 20-volt 2-pack lithium-ion batteries, get one free select DEWALT power tool. Upgrade your toolkit with DEWALT 20-volt 4.0 AH lithium-ion batteries, providing extended runtime and consistent power for demanding tasks. These batteries incorporate advanced cell technology to reduce heat buildup, protect against overcharge, and extend overall lifespan. Each battery is lightweight yet delivers enough power for high-torque drills, saws, and impact drivers. The batteries feature built-in fuel gauges so you can monitor charge levels easily during work. They are compatible with all DEWALT 20-volt max tools, making them a versatile choice for professionals and DIYers alike. The compact design allows easy storage in toolboxes or on the job site. One free select DEWALT power tool is included with this set, offering additional functionality and value. With rapid charging and durable construction, this 2-pack ensures your tools are ready to perform at a professional level whenever you need them. Buy Kobalt 24-volt 2-pack lithium-ion battery and charger, get one free select Kobalt power tool. Power your Kobalt 24-volt tools with this 2-pack of 4.0 AH lithium-ion batteries and charger. These high-capacity batteries provide extended runtime and consistent voltage output, allowing you to complete larger projects without interruptions. The included charger restores a full charge in under an hour and features built-in protection against overcharging and overheating. Designed for compatibility with all Kobalt 24-volt tools, these batteries include fuel level indicators for quick monitoring. The lightweight, compact design ensures portability without sacrificing durability, making them perfect for both job sites and home workshops. This package also includes one free select Kobalt power tool, adding value and versatility. Durable, efficient, and reliable, this battery kit keeps your Kobalt tools running at peak performance for every task, from cutting and drilling to sanding and fastening. And that's a wrap on our top Lowe's Black Friday and Cyber Monday top offers. From brushless combo kits to high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, these deals are perfect for upgrading your toolkit or starting fresh. If you've been waiting for the right time to snag professional-grade tools without breaking the bank, now's your moment. Remember, these deals won't last forever. Grab your favorites while supplies are hot. Hit those links, power up your projects, and take your DIY game to the next level. If you spotted a deal you love, drop a comment below and let us know what you're adding to your toolkit this season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legit picks coming your way.